The town of Weston, Massachusetts, is known for its timeless beauty, tree-lined streets, historic estates, and classic New England architecture that tells the story of generations past. For homeowners lucky enough to live in one of Weston's historic homes, maintaining its original charm is both a privilege and a responsibility. When it comes to upgrades, one of the most important and visible changes you can make is door installation. A new door can improve energy efficiency, security, and comfort, but it must be done carefully to preserve the home's character. Here are expert tips for installing new doors in Weston's historic homes while protecting the integrity and beauty that make them special. Respect the home's original architecture before replacing or installing a new door. It's crucial to understand your home's architectural style. Weston's historic homes include colonial revivals, Victorians, capes, and federal-style residences, each with distinctive features. A door that clashes with the home's original design can diminish its value and aesthetic appeal. For example, colonial homes often feature symmetrical panels and classic brass hardware. Victorian styles may include ornate carvings and stained glass inserts. Federal-style homes favor clean lines and elegant simplicity. Choose a door that complements your home's proportions, materials, and period details. The goal is not just replacement, it's preservation. Choose authentic materials that stand the test of time in historic homes. Materials matter as much as appearance. While modern fiberglass or steel doors offer excellent durability, they may not always suit a traditional facade. Many Weston homeowners choose solid wood or wood-clad doors because they mirror the textures, grains, and warmth of the home's original design. Mahogany, oak, and fir are popular options that provide both authenticity and resilience. However, if you're seeking low-maintenance, fiberglass doors with realistic wood grain finishes can deliver the same look while better resisting Massachusetts' cold winters and humid summers. Consulting with a professional installer familiar with historic properties ensures your materials meet both aesthetic and practical needs. Match historic hardware and decorative details. The smallest elements often make the biggest impact. Door hardware, such as knobs, hinges, knockers, and mail slots, should align with your home's historical period. For example, a Georgian or colonial door might feature polished brass hardware. Victorian homes often use ornate ironwork or intricate handles. Mid-century homes typically showcase sleek, understated finishes. If original hardware is still functional, consider restoring and reusing it. Otherwise, look for replica pieces or antique reproductions that blend seamlessly with the home's era. These details help preserve the authentic character that defines Weston's historic neighborhoods. Improve energy efficiency without sacrificing style. Many older homes in Weston were built before modern insulation standards, which means doors can be a major source of drafts and heat loss. When installing a new door, look for ways to enhance energy performance while maintaining the home's charm. Use weather stripping and insulated cores to prevent air leaks. Consider double pane or low-E glass panels that mimic traditional styles while improving efficiency. Opt for custom-sized doors that fit perfectly in existing frames to avoid gaps. These upgrades make your home more comfortable year-round without altering its classic appearance. Work with local experts who understand historic preservation. Historic homes often require specialized care, and not every contractor has the experience to handle them properly. Working with a local Weston door installation expert familiar with preservation standards ensures your project is done right. Professionals who understand the Massachusetts Historical Commission (MHC) guidelines can help you select materials and designs that meet local expectations while improving functionality. They'll also take extra care during installation to protect original trim, framing, and masonry. A skilled installer can modernize your home discreetly, maintaining its historic authenticity while enhancing comfort and performance. Balance modern needs with historic integrity. Preserving a historic home doesn't mean sacrificing convenience or security. Many homeowners in Weston choose custom-built doors that combine modern durability with traditional aesthetics. You can incorporate advanced locking systems, energy-efficient materials, or reinforced cores, all hidden within a door that looks authentically period correct. The result: a door that's as safe and efficient as it is beautiful. Keeping Weston's historic character alive, your door is more than just a functional feature. It's a defining element of your home's story. In a town like Weston, where architectural heritage is treasured, thoughtful door installation helps maintain that legacy. By choosing authentic materials, period-appropriate designs, and professional installation, you can protect your home's charm while adding modern comfort and efficiency. When it's time to update your entryway, trust a Weston door installation expert who understands that every historic home deserves both respect and renewal. The result will be a stunning, long-lasting door that honors the past while embracing the future.